This is the 22-ounce bottle of the Sea-Doo Hole Cleaner. This is by XPS Care. This is a really great brand here. It just does a phenomenal job cleaning up the fiberglass plastic areas. I'm very happy with it. 22 ounces definitely goes a long way. You could use this several times. You could use this if you have like some really deep mildew after like the whole season, or if you're just looking to clean it up. It just does a phenomenal job. It's got a couple different spray patterns up here. This one is just a mist, and then it has another one where it just sprays like a straight line. But I'm very happy with this. XPS, I use that for the oil and other Sea-Doo products like that, but this cleaner just does a great job. I use this in the Meguiar's plastic cleaner as well, but this stuff is great. The only thing with this, make sure you're using it in a very ventilated area or just outdoors. It's a really potent scent to it. It's not really a bad smell. It just smells, it's very, very heavily scented. I'll let you say that. So definitely don't want to do this indoors, and you absolutely want to wash your hands after you use it, because it just definitely has a potent smell to it, but it just does a really great job. You can see here, these plastics are just really shiny and really good. So definitely want to check this out. It's the XPS Care Sea-Doo Hole Cleaner, 22 ounces. Highly recommend this stuff.